I'm on a mission to find every bird in the world. Currently in Quito, Ecuador. Eating some nachos. Spotting some birds. I flew all the way to Ecuador to see as many birds as I could. But before venturing into the extremes of South America, we felt we needed to gear up.
We don't even know if it's going to be hot or cold.
We're pretty good. We should start a band.
You think it looks good? He thinks it looks good.
We came from Australia to Ecuador just for that.
For the birds.